Hi, I'm your Minister of Capitalism, Brett Davison. And in this video, I want to quickly answer the question, what's the best way to master options trading? You can learn how to trade options either by reading books, following the trade alerts of a professional trader, taking a course, or even starting off by watching some videos on the old interwebs. Before you trade any options, you first have to learn the absolute basics of how options behave. Once you learn how options work, the way to come up with profitable strategies still comes down to having a strong thesis behind the stock that you want to trade. You can then use platforms like Thinkorswim to paper trade options for a while so that you understand how they work before you ever invest real money into it. Once you start investing real money, start small so that even if you lose money, you won't lose much. As you start making some profits, you can start scaling up and get better at risk management. Remember, options trading for beginners can be tricky because there are a lot of dangers that lurk beneath the surface. The rewards, though, are typically high. So how do you keep up with all the possibilities and succeed? First of all, you have to know yourself. What kind of trader are you? Options trades come in variety. There's some tricky math involved, however, so it might not be your best move unless your sure numbers are not a challenge for you. There is also call options trading and put option trading. These are generally simple directional stock plays, depending on whether you think the stock price will increase or decrease. For most people, trading on their own simply isn't realistic. And for that reason, I highly recommend starting out by signing up for the option trade alerts inside the empiricalcollective.com. Because as you follow the trades, you will begin to get a good understanding of options first, while you start to learn and understand some basic strategies that can be very profitable. To master something, you need to understand, focus, and set goals. You can master many skills, but try to be a master in one field as per your interest and knowledge. Traders are always in the learning phase because of unpredictable markets. To be a master in options trading is pretty tough, but practice makes a man perfect. Time, intensity, and commitment simply isn't for everyone, and that's why I recommend that you follow along the trades of a more experienced trader, at least while you start, because it can save you a lot of time and money. I'm your Minister of Capitalism, Brett Davison. And if you are stuck in financial hell and are in need of deliverance, join us at theministerofcapitalism.com.